Captain Smart. Aya Captain Smart, eme say woni ya tra woni nton. Captain Smart, woni ya tra woni nton. Won sa dede na Captain Smart obeye no radio nso no. Ka ya UK ha, ka I believe say kombe bandeo from say obeba on air. Ka obeje band. Ka UK ha anase any European country anase America. And we hear na Captain Smart. Kayebe bandeo from air say obeba radio so aba be din komo because ade na aba bonten na say yare no ewiase ade a edi wiase nya ade a destroy wiase ade a se wiase ade a eji adofo efi adofo nsem ade a yekukum nipa. Captain Smart amanfo anase ewiase enyansafo anase ewiase enimdiefo atnase anopa wi anwumre. Captain Smart wo wada no a doctor for any researchers papa no they don't sleep. Captain Smart ade asana wada na wo hwan kromo no a wo ye ya wa amanfo mo na omu ye adwuma 24 hours, especially mo amotina brochie no munim se dia abrofo efa omo adwuma serious. They don't sleep. Obi a watina brochie bia onim se dia abrofo efa omo no serious. Captain Smart abrofo sebeta frache omo nyimi ye o untu kwantina brochie da ebi obekwa brochie akodi holidays. But sanko watsna brochie da na hu se dia abrofo mfa ho no ma serious a ka obo say Ghana just kiti etisen tatia no Ghana tisen tatia Ghana omu jese ewiase cross ya hwe yi a ombeka so omu mu Ghana cross ye ka wiase ho. I'm telling you the truth. But Captain Smart, aya munsusu enye dede hunu. Aya munsusu nye dede hunu. Bibia baba bia no Africa, we are the first people ye condemn. Ene se bibia depa na bibia depa, yensu ne be wu ache wiase nipa nyina. Se no ma mu ye depa ne ye pomo be wu a, kaye na esi ewu. Na abrofo kura no omutin agese omu ye ni papa pantra kan ni kwa se duro no kura ko mbeke so omu ma ye bi. I'm telling you, kan duro no kura omu ye no ko omu ma ye bi kura me ye no. Sa abrofo be so omu kun African fo a 2 seconds they will destroy everyone in Africa. Eti se mu hu bibia mu nsusu njaje ne ntentem. Some who know my air won't stop judging. Mamunya say because of some air. And I said, Mukasabi among four bakum you be tea munti. Bibia no the American opie. No mama be kick and sem. Yadi aba e kunkum nipa. Yadi aba e wiase nyina ye mobo. Yadi aba e wiase nyina no abuom. Yadi aba e wiase asini trase. Amanfo na no pa wie nwumre no. Captain Smart abrofo da omu jina omu na so 24/7 etimi di bibia ba se ye de besoso no ma anu a opie be jina radio so just because of say muko internet so na muko read 1 or 2 things amanfo bia post to a then you start following na mutu emfutu ogu amanfo enim. Captain Smart o video bi wa ha na me tie o video no me unsa wo pray dodo o ya pray dodo me pewa sempa me one of your greatest fan and I say nkofo am do but sabi you now try no it's totally wrong. Captain Smart me say nimdie se pa na wo nimdie pa ye ka nimdie se na wo yenya baby jina yenya radio su jina yenya Facebook su jina yenya normal bi ne yakasa aya na amaye feel so superior. ne ye dede ebi na Captain Smart ye mumye nkotie Captain Smart ensem o kan ye ebese mu nyina mu tie bi ansa na de wo no me de ama mo pa cho obi an share video no ma me madawma obi an share video no ma me na yentie Captain Smart
me edrono ensa yare bia gui me I have no qualms with him. Mo handle no na mo ye expect na mo tron seven man say on country here no. They are kind of clear woman saying because he's a lawyer, he's not a scientist, he's not a medical doctor. Edrono ensa yare bia gui. They are all aware say ensa yare bia gui. So why then you write this for the president to come and tell us? Mo person go forward fine. Mo kan to no wo mbe wo no nkowo. But any person mo president be ka say e duro na esayare no ensayare bia huyi. Miscommunication na ma will come back.
Actually, we have miscommunication, a communication strategy. Me who say yes sir, miscommunication. I don't say
no.
You patrol say that is shame. You make a point to be say all person go for kowa. Only shame to make it look like wow.
You don't have to force anybody to take a vaccine.
So a communication almost said that.
You don't have to force anybody to take a vaccine.
So I might say on a door. It's one friend one bishimwa. Could you say won't?
Maybe some can't say.
Oh, why? Yadian pardon you are boy sound.
I wouldn't pass at the end and say Arabia. Then you write it for the president to come and tell us a drone a Messiah. But what you take it, I could say.
And there's
Yamfa and non tonche. A drone and say Arabia. One can say, you my drone say and say Arabia. Who's almost said to me, so no cry, near Kakan stories natural. Mo email or monomo documents. Ghana, the animal should be a Caribbean by young kind. If you and we go, Food and Drugs Authority. Would you draw about many more and then crack a go keto? The quality process is that you retest to make sure that you're correct. Yayana. Yayan. I'm nice.
Okay, afei yamo Captain Smart anu nsem no na yanka ho asem me say both same voice na ya digest Captain kakra. Captain esi ya digest o kakra. Okay, let's listen to him once again.
Edrono ensa Arabia gui. They are all aware say ensa Arabia gui. So why then you write this for the president to come and tell us?
Okay, Captain Smart say, Edrono, ensa Arabia hui. Ensa Arabia hui. So why do you write this for the president to come and read to us? Who wrote that, or who wrote it for the president to come and read to you? Who? Why would a choma president, you know, say ombe ready? Maybe say who say Captain Smart, mama say, Captain Smart, uni minyansa chair president nana. Eye Captain Smart, uni minyansa chair president no. Anasa uni minyansa eche omo choma president this ombe ready no. I believe say learned people anasa omo sa field no e na betro anasa ombe instruct anasa ombe verify no ma ansa na president na pia montia ba be ready. Captain Smart, I don't think say any party say me no mienu. Aye ni mo hwe. Ene e ba ye na e de ma president say president ji we na ko ready ko ka kira manfo. Captain Smart o say ka say ya wo ka say. Aye disrespect to Ghana and aye disrespect to our president. Because the way I woke no as a president, he doesn't even know what he's doing. Do you know how it takes to become a president? Captain Smart, do you know what it takes to become a president? See, I will be a president. Ghana population over 30 something million. Na Ghana yetime avoto yi nipa ba ko so obedi yeso a. O ka say cheap. O ka say just cheap say anopa what did ya me wo ko pe ba ku bi edi ana wo ko pe abitie bi edi ana wo ko pe fufuo bi edi no sorry abegina wo say me be di president. Enye nante yaketo o. Enye edwuma ketoa. Ana sebeta frache Jimmy bi enu obetima di president o. Sa we Jimmy fo a Ghana fo na say wiase ba bi enu o Jimmy bi edi president because the population of about 30 million and 30 something million ni etima yi ba ko say onu na edi president na wutimi bie wanu ka say adenti ho ya trauma president so o meridi na Captain Smart bi kura mi gina hoyi me obebetima tro ade ama me say me magina already na the president of Ghana. This is a very childish talk. That's how we retract this statement, you know. Captain Smart, esa usaba biom. Mamun kasa asif say, amount for him the omuyo. They know what they are doing. And this your statement, you know, is so wrong. Why would a trauma no? Why would a trauma no? I don't think say before say a drone club baby wura Ghana. I believe say enye say ye sorry ya na ye no Ghana nkofo na ye gu no enye nkrama ne mponche na gu Ghana ho nipa before say ade de kwa beba Ghana ho a process omutimi sorry anopa na ya kase ya kose se nura ba so obi amagye no ana so obi amra ne won pa ne process na course so. Do you know how long it took them to get the medicine and to get the vaccination in Ghana? Captain, kasa o kasa yi, o kasa oboso. O kasa I say you are talking to some school nkwala nketinketi, but you are talking to the whole Ghana and to the world as well. Because me ni Ghana me UK, but yesterday Martin samna woka no, which doesn't make sense to me. Somewhat true, I'm a president, so Rambe read him. Why would I true?
I don't know, and say Arabia agree. Me, I have no qualms with them. More handle no na, more expect now, more strong seminar man say all country, you know. What kind of great woman in chair because he's a lawyer, he's not a scientist, he's not a medical doctor. I don't know.
Captain Smart said the president is a lawyer, he's not a scientist, and he's not a medical doctor. So don't you think, sir, omu trauma no, and as omu initiate idea no, medical doctors, and as a scientist, I will behind all this. So you think, sir, yeah, the Drobeba Ghana, just like that. No president, yeah, the paper be ama no abedina no read yama. Come on, Captain. Okasai, one kasai. A childish talk, honestly. Yanko.
I don't know, and say Arabia agree.
Captain Smart, he can't check Ghana for say a drone and say Arabia we, which I think Ghana as he invited Captain Smart. As a Ghana paying for, or invited Captain Smart. Now all the reasons ever. Now what say Ghana for the Etiokas assembly. Because say the Oka assembly obi o asabi nkrasefo bi on betie sa asembly enu nti omu nko opane no enu nti omu nye ye ka so omu nye kro omu nye yade yesu betima ti omu na ekunkum omu enti se omu tie Captain Smart enu nsem na omu anko wode yade ekunkum omu wa na ekun omu sa omu tie Captain Smart ye o ka no na se yade ye techi omu na omu wu na omu ka so omu mo na omu wu a wa na ekun omu enti Captain Smart send your work as a president in your medical doctor. Who is a medical doctor? Who is a scientist? Adiana Eko so dia na woni mfa ho. What I see eduro no ehu se eduro no eye adwuma na anye adwuma. Eti wo de wano ene utumi ene wo pe. E na wo ka de wo pe. Captain, this is so wrong. You are misleading people. Oh, misleading amanfo.
They are all aware and say Arabia agree.
Captain Smart say they are all aware. That means Ghana paying for no. Omo nyina ya aware say eduro ne say Arabia agree. Eti na as a president no any mpanyimfo na omudidi animu no any Ghana doctor for ne hwan mfo nyina omu se ensayare eti adenti na ade ensayare na omudi ba kuro no aba be wo amanfo that means ade omu pese omu kunkum Ghana for na asase me busa captain na so omu pese omu be kunkum ye maame no ne anuanom na asase I don't get this. This is a very childish talk, honestly.
So why then you write this for the president to come and tell us? Mo person go forward, fine. Mo can try no one be won ko. But any person mo president make say e dro na sayare no en sayare bia hui.
Ah, Captain Smart. Said the Okasa no I said I don't get this man, honestly. Some person mo president in Bekasa. Asa woni nkola wonya nkola bi no ada Captain Smart o penyi bi Ghana na. I want to understand me person meti ase. Captain Smart oye doctor na ana oye scientist ana oye den Ghana. Oye radio presenter and say apart from the radio no oye research ma Ghana na who is he? I just want to understand. I want to understand me person meti ase. Captain Smart no apart from radio no oye scientist and oye doctor and I say who is he? We want to me person meti ase. Ebia me nim ne sa mo amunim no I want to understand.
Miscommunication in that man. We'll come back.
Captain, we have miscommunication, a communication strategy. Me who say yes sir, miscommunication. I don't say
no.
You background say that is shame.
It's not right.
We make key point business all person go for wa. Only shame to make it look like wa.
You don't have to force anybody to take a vaccine.
So a communication almost said that.
You don't have to force anybody to take a vaccine.
So o mate say grow on a dosh. It wan fe no amhye mu a kwadwe say won.
Me some can say. When you be jam, me wo.
O wa yade an pa de ni wa bonsa ho.
I wouldn't pass at the end and say I really happy. Then you write it for the president to come and tell us and drone a best say no. But what you take it in a course say.
Ebeba so.
Yemfa and non ton chain. A drone and say I really happy. One can say you my drone say and say I no. Who some say to me so no cry, they can stories natural war. Mo email or mo documents. Ghana the man should be a Caribbean by young kind if you and we go sa Food and Drugs Authority. Would you draw the about many more and then crack a go keto? The quality process is that you retest to make sure that they are correct. Yeah.
Now Captain Smart, catch your Food and Drugs, Sir, Adia Biba Kurumwa, Esamo testing. He want to understand some yana. Now Captain Smart is trying to say or check Food and Drugs for so Ejuma, a radio presenter. At Captain Smart Ebekakra, I'm a lawyer for in over Chomujuma Munye. The fact that we are a radio presenter doesn't mean say, can we say we are ignorant, say, come maybe also we are ignorant too. Say, don't got Food and Drugs, near Casa, what can you do? You don't court near Casa Kodia, what can you do? The first say you kasa na say timi kasa no doesn't mean say you betima wura baby o obiara in the field. It's Food and Drugs wo kasa o ma testing. You can't teach them their jobs. They know what they are doing. Also nim the omo ye no okron. Okay me ba Captain Smart yes get to UK ye ebo. UK na ye leadi eba corona na ye na leadi. Ye close school so many months in here. I close to school. Nkola nko school ya man nyati tifie. For a very long time now. Yari ni kum nipa a day tibi kum nipa more than 300 to 400 a day, more than that in the UK. Every single day. Nipa owu UK no. Captain opa Google na result no. But yadi e ba no. Ena yadi na e ba no UK for vaccine e ba no. Me kura nyandru mi so. Make a mammy to a young so. Yet the war health sectors, health, a doctor for, a nurse for, ya war carers, or more health sectors, no, omo na yedi kan de mo omo eti captain me be say uti ase se sa ade no ye se e be kum nipa ye se e be se nipa ye se e be di boni a those people are out kaye na e be start o yeso kaye na e be start o yeso say UK over 20 million and our vaccine no na 20 million no mo no yade no kokuku ba bia UK yade no e kofom and na make say Monday ye ma be start school over 20 million and our mimi fie nipa o ma wo more than 3 ba me enya nduru mi so eti ya wo over 20 million e wo krom ha ama fee so mo start use vaccine no yade no yira wo krom ha kofom pa nipa na no mu wu ade no go and google and see se koso sa bioma na enti that means no my result the whole world you can now watch krobia result na eba no so much effective ate say yegyina ase say me tuoi me bompa akura say beduru yeso ne yakwakoye wo ye de. And what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Ghana, any before. Sadia ba, bibini, adia biesia, yabe trias, yabe kansem, and a SSS, and a brosan for yadi, and a safaniano, who are the chief of a show, and a Nkwasia Kika say ya. And Kwasia Kika say ya, yabetiano, not shim, yadina, wipe poor mouth for you. Before see ebe who and see ebe realize no now you too late. Now you too late. Now you too late. Now come here doctor. Na me na kasa. Me ba cho me pe doctor. Na me na kasa. Ba me friend me sanka me say be try to be. Now what can the ekoso UK ha? On can train me here doctor ye pese any doctor kasa doctor any ye pese any kasa na doctor e frɛ yeba ye pese any doctor kasa o UK na any doctor kasa kakra ke beboa ye pese any doctor din komo kakra ebe se nke ni doctor kasa kakra se ni doctor kasa kakra
the person you're calling isn't accepting messages right now.
Oh doctor also fana enti o kakra enka ebe se ni doctor ebusa no 1 or 2 bi because who say hello doctor mechiao.
Hello
doctor bacho mechiao.
Oh good evening.
Yeah doctor we dey ke person no di nkomo kakra bi efa vaccine na e wo UK ha menim say woni Ghana ntika UK na person no twetwe nkomo kakra bi.
Oh okay okay say enche you come go Zoom meeting okay all right.
Okay, o Zoom meeting, we dey kasa kakra bi. Ka che Zoom phone say Ghana fo ye ni odo. Doctor Bacho we dey wadawoma eye vaccine na say about Ghana no. A ye wo no. Me Bacho UK ha ya wo bia na say mo wo bi.
Obi ma wo me the second one query. Yeah.
Okay. Tira say ye me wo bi o. Ana mo nko na mo wo ana say.
Oh, they be say into groups. Some we in group by group, and you know, a group so we cheap, you know. Effect from one part. Yes, until now, no. Almost started from after you almost people at risk, almost more long term conditioning and manema. So more in area, son, I take group by group.
It's group by group, no more health sectors for no more must start here and answer.
Health centers, nurses, doctors, hospitals, cinema, name teachers for crowd. I think the church for no more almost our day.
Now that Tina a droy and as a vaccine and bibia and saya dear be a wheat. Now more doctors for Matia Siena more start here more.
Oh, there is a vaccine and some COVID, but it reduces risk of getting getting very, very sick and getting ill. I be admitted to hospital no. And me who dey say actually the back for mama until COVID the answer COVID. Until because everyone every year be and everyone.
Okay now. Answer COVID yeah we. Na say important no na.
Oh, very important say. You say opium so be say the mechanism no say ya what say ya be ya ebeboa what's it now no COVID people get really sick. It's yare mo it's no where you know only try reducing nipa ebe hospital no more and typical me ma one me try to make it clean. I'm trying my best me ma one ma wo metin ya COVID but Emma being yare pa say opia onwo ye sending out is to do with your immune system into a injection ebwa e protect you one way or the other no into and study but it's very important so opia be one.
Okay but yenya presenter wo Ghana friend Captain Smart was say edro no ensa yare bia hui enti so ka say ensa yare bia hui a wo ne ya adwene ho ana as a doctor.
Oh, that me the drink say yare bia hui. It doesn't and cure COVID, and cure but and it will use it and say it can be protective and it's very important to be at the one. Oh, because now no say me wouldn't talk as an say a different way no if a different investigation and research why which also cast all the American minim and minim a Ghana a Yomo minim a vaccine but I am telling me read BB internet I'm say Oxford vaccine which I don't know which is similar to the one I can't say UK being so high one internet I don't think so because I said vaccine and the vaccine is very important. Maybe one first one no I didn't get any side effects. The one second one I got only small side effect like headache, feeling sick, joint pain and then I made apart from that, I'm fine. A side effects, I would say so. Everybody should have it.
Now, says doctor said, I didn't say I didn't and it doesn't stop you from getting COVID. Nidia, what is the importance? That means not just that the captain can, not just say yes, side with Captain Smart, Anna.
Example, we always have flu vaccine. What means what year flu vaccine every year? You won't every year we want flu vaccine because of say ain't so flu no but me flu no Emma main yare pa.
Okay.
Emma main yare and na ho ehuna mani we flu e kunipa bebre. Kunipa bebre ha. And it's need flu vaccine but say be boa ma e bi ho one and yare ne pa. COVID so bin swanya when your side effects when your effect be our home. When you have COVID, obi any when you have COVID because when shows when you have COVID no or you can't say when your temperature or it doesn't cough or when you a sense of taste when you be or also nam ho to be a different obi no a different when you say be protecting a vulnerable people. Any one more omunya COVID na a baby a back to hospital in Maniama, all the American. Obi wow only only underlying condition only be as so nya when we pay patent the brain, our money underlying condition only be so munya underlying condition. It really say your diabetes, or your hypertension, or your asthma, all the American. Obi how we need PPI and diagnosing PPI so nya because of the immune system, will be any different, will be any different, will be any body. That's what it's when you must say, a baby will be able to protect you, and some COVID no. But if you reduce it, you raise in a many papa for the hospital, and I at that one, and I was a reduce it, and you reduce it, and also swan. Remember your lifestyle, a bit one thing. Say nobody is happy to see a ship here, and they're making.
Okay.
Are you happy that we will fear? Debbie. We are paying life back. Into no Jamaican so be our call my work. My family will be our and obia I know be.
Na yeah way yes say Ghana na e Ghana 40 mu say okowa ye say e cheap bi na e dia hye won sa ne woto ne na say cheap no e 666 chese nkomo no e dos wo Ghana wo ye doctor ya wa wo bi no cheap ka ho ana ye de cheap mo wo ya mo de cheap be share to ana
reception no enye me throw straight ana
me throw straight doctor
o throw me straight okay I can be
me say yeah it say Ghana no e say ade no uwa ya de cheap be share oturu mu na ukwa na ye hwe na 666 na just say
I keep seeing here nothing that you saying.
Okay doctor mama san from
I'm here.
Otimenga
Oh god.
Ya ne doctor na e kasa no ai medical doctor pa kese pa UK anye doctor nketo no we a doctor abruchi doctor what you say so obi kasa abruchi doctor anya easy share abruchi doctor anya doctor ketwa o sha abrofo ehwe bibifo ehwe China fo Ghana doctor make ma hwe bibifo nko ba we o hwe bibia yes uncle say benya doctor na yantu ankomo no doctor na efre no doc
Sorry, no reception here.
Oh, no problem, doc. Doc, me ba choda de make can say. Say Ghana no, me sister bi a me catch say onye na onwo bi. Wasi da bi ye the cheap be hye no ho, ene turu mu na che say wokọ ba bi a na ye hwe ne to, na ye hwe ne sisi, ene ade na me say, "Hey, ene no so."
No, sir. I don't know who say. I don't know media na everything to people's head on the American. It's now no what Ghana no be say they need more education. I think what some of my doctors name health professionals no educate a public now omunya understanding be about you can't say COVID vaccine because I have no you UK tell me everyone my education the Alpha News BBC Sky everywhere they were doing education it will be at say and nim at and I will call NHS website so open information everything is there out there for people to read BPNT all the American side effects, everything is there. And I think that's what Ghanaians should do. Some almost the information in the public, no be ready. No matter almost me with that question ever more. Because I don't think say obi to one yet vaccine about the cover. Oh, Ukraine and I think that for now they need to educate the public first before and that almost said because vaccine went to you were a young perform more allergy. You appear or when allergic reaction to it, it's not go to hospital. It's when there was some educated public who said vaccine, the home ingredients that they wow, what's that allergy? And it's a which and I think so no, and yet chip by the shower and I think so. If you ain't start COVID the crown now, advantage of what's a woman or vaccine or what's a one. I think it's all about education. They need to educate the public because when it's a bit brain, sorry to say, they didn't go to school, they didn't understand what is even going on. A lot of people even doesn't understand what is COVID. If you cry say COVID, but become a patient, you'll be shocked. Always a mechanism. It's all to do with education. So if the you can't say media, any health professional, if they educate the public, I think that's the best.
Doctor, what okay now say media no so na eka say Captain Smart and HSM mo bia just say
he doesn't even have any knowledge in it. It will also for no education. It's not make us say vaccine background or some more educated public, Oh, now it's a media house, almost me invite to a because we UK media house, BBC, everywhere. They know about what they are talking about. Only doctors, we have the minutes over Chinese. Who's a COVID once a month? Doctor General, researcher General, OBA General, and almost can be every time. It's what you feel. You understand what they are talking about. It's in this idea, Obi like 2019, the media also any education.
Captain Smart, you're ignorant when it comes to this vaccine.
Yeah. Because he doesn't know what he does. When you research, we need to be already the account to the chin or not okay. The account to the chin no, and or not okay. So it's about time they have to educate the Ghanaians because sometimes it could be here a Yibina for sometimes just log off. We need some normal kind of what are they talking about? It is all to do with education. It's all to do with education. They need to educate the public. They need to educate the media. And they need to invite the media house now.
Oh, Doc lie. Doc lie kati. Doc say Captain Smart say a chino tenase. Na yɛde ne kɔ classroom na ɔno so osua kakra captain oh yeah captain Doc say okra no yɛma ɔtena se na yɛkyɛw adeɛ kakra aha Doc me say na it's a captain no this year chile tena se ana asese
I think so. I think that it's not make us say, oh, the only quite of the fans it will, I don't know. It's because I can't mean much about it, you know. Make I have to be careful, but what meaning they say was more educated or when in media houses they OPR. The educated before say if you're the vaccine the crap because Hano. You remember, see, you vaccine, you can't overpay 6 months. I'm not to be trim, I'm not to be a trim. Will be any side effects. Now, because so far NHS website that is there. Maybe say the patient, the brain. One more we now move from the you can say, oh, if you log on NHS site, you can see that we will be here. And to the person can say, they also need education. It's all to do with education, nation. Okay, nothing else.
Okay, now me bacho vaccine no any womb normal be woman.
And yes, I don't know Ghana for the omo vaccine and I make us say much about Ghanaians vaccine I can't really talk about it.
Now you get the
but meaning says vaccine now on a leaflet. I'll be ready. So we a group a prescribed patient piano. You near maybe woman a little about the woman if you are allergic to it, you know say you have allergy on this side any sofa. It's mean America to name much about Ghana for but I think we different I will be able to if your area and I'll
me bacho the war and the said the war
the mimi war any Fraser, yeah.
Fraser.
Okay.
Nidi so there. Fraser. Me come Fraser ni bi because the dinner the pa me pick Fraser one.
Twice and also one twice but and also very good. And also behind you good. You vaccine be good.
Okay.
But all what I was saying is make am to be say obi ready about if it's not about only vaccine. Tropia wo fe piano. You have to understand the drone also who is side effect. Also who a drone the and also who a drone area. And yet a doctor did now wound them. And also will ready. We internet so. Now there is the internet how everything is out. You can go there and read. All the vaccines are out there. Open NHS website that all the vaccines are there. The idea of side effects of one more to a pregnant woman, only to me found one and a vaccine a phrase that will be a opesa when you want me this aha shall we try a cry son of a son you grab on your it's all out there.
Okay.
So everybody can read it.
Okay. Matthias here. Now doctor UK am also nipa bebriawo. I think it's
you see everybody a time will come. The one we are to quite far now, to quite because they are doing compulsory. It's not just everybody because the turnover is very great, very very great.
Because the same matter said yes, the almost started war and the no timi akofoma. Yeah. Yes. That means it's good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Now that Captain Smart think I say more be on way.
And America says it's all to do with education. Captain Smart, maybe only he doesn't really have any knowledge of even what is COVID. These people just sit there and talk. Always the maker, it's all to do with education. Until America said was a minimum public. I don't know Ghana or health system no. There was or health authorities no. It may come out there and talk about it. Or bad TV so no medicated public no. No more side effects, no more a purpose and what's so be was said no. Or the American the advantage. It's all to do with education. There is nothing we can say. All to do with education.
Okay. Now, Memo, President Akowo, John Dramani Mahama, the former president Swawo. Yewura Otumfo say to the second on Swawo, National Chief Imam, Vice President, painful now. What do you say to that?
Oh, say so Oma will have to one actually say vaccine ye papa. Who are any your way? It's make a woman who actually say Abia care for near and come on the American and I want to end your way. It's one day it's all a campaign and no more yet. Or they make a campaign, but now we're talking about education.
Okay.
President, Abia President or TRC were really he have a bit of understanding. But what about Nipana Mima Bibi or a crossing? What about Mima Bibi or the Chrome village? Oh, they make
Mrs. Amida, Mrs. Takra, only crossy, Mrs. Amida, also there be one name watching. So what you say, Amida? The
campaign no way about drone. But me, no, I'm talking about education here. In Tinkofumu crossing, people should go out there and talk to people about it. Some training the power on base Jumano. Because I know you're training the power. So everybody understand the vaccine.
Because of education.
A rules why your GP will write to you or maybe you get a phone call. It's sunny area. Into nations all about education, but the American vaccine is very good. Everybody should have it.
Okay.
Mean can say if you want to side effects, a group be any side effects or a group be our side effects. But make out to say a better so than say if you wound the API cover no nya but wouldn't be your attention as one may be your attention. Maybe I would acquire maybe the problem of paper on the American.
Okay.
So I would say everybody should have the vaccine. It's very good.
Okay. Now doctor before some person job now before so be then or catch Ghana and media no as you being a doctor in United Kingdom.
The American media say media so when you're a researcher, don't go and say anything anyhow. You don't just talk to the public anyhow. Oh, I was all your research and some Rebecca said because the media no catch public media, they take it very seriously. Because even crown on Facebook crown, we say very powerful. People will be fat Eddie or the Ayejuma. And to the American say first, the first thing they have to do is to educate the media. Media no more information public and out there. They need to educate the media. And the media knows so if you get those education, a question be a so bisa. Now what here see I give you one test and son walk up to public, say be a more how would you can't do that here? Next one will show you jump
and American
you can't.
Yeah.
Oh, because so wouldn't be a deal where be any pound, Mr. Sometime a patient, make free patients and then a travel friend, yes,
oh,
I'm telling you, what true, I'm telling you, near my go through me who pound is we can't sometimes, no, my so emotion, you know, you also be kind of anyhow, and not me raffle. I said, I don't know what you're talking about.
Mekra, yare na mekra minyini. Aha, na minyini.
And what nation that will pay me patient, my free patients and then men like Cassa. Me prescribe with a man and a cham. Me friend is sometimes who go not yet the API will be a hospital. You send away, you accept a discharge summary. Nipaniba will. Oh, is there? I'm telling you,
no, me bacho. Dear Netima, yare no kumontem. So only na kasa na ade chi ewu. Ade yare na breaki ni kidney ana asese.
Say yare no enyawa. And I make say yare no enyawa. The way it's here will be why a breathing problem no. Obi obetina fia oh. Na ebe kan sorry to say yeah African yes yeah room
your friends emudro emudro ni kakadro me say doctor aboa me pa dia wo ka no aboa me
but all what I was saying is that Obia
no sobolo. Sobolo, not what they.
Who be one of the patients, one of Sobolo's will.
I know I'm a Jackina, or my say, or Sobolo. Meno him I the Sobolo na cure, or him I nebi, na Miss Minyebi, and a blessed Franklin as Sunyebi. Yea, now Sobolo, other romantic, that what you see, Sobolo.
Nation, the best thing they said, just protect yourself, and only the best medication.
Okay.
Just wear your, just protect yourself. Wash your hands. Wear your mask and vaccine upon a cover. That's the best medication that make up for now. So because if they cry, so what vaccine cry now was says to you have to wear your mask. Or when I wash your own son. Oh, they make an and that's the best medication for now. The anyway bit me treating done. So be wash your own son, Pia Bontia, show mask, or protect the public, now also protect your
na dog, you see most of Ghanaians they careers no no careers ni say obetima jibi now
careers don't use that career because of some people don't show any signs and symptoms they make
me say doctor me a career
on a tidy unipan.
Yeah, me a career.
Because so will be a show no on area. On where test the crown on say
yeah.
It will not know what you pay easily so the pay nipa.
Me a career, rather than
until I make us be protecting on. Okay. Everybody should wash their hands and show mask now. Walk over vaccine no say at least no.
Okay. Doctor, Nyami Shop say what me nya da de ani abetwetwe nkomo kakra. Why are there Nyami Shop?
You take of yourself, why?
Mate. Sobolo na ya usu num bia na. Doctor Mbacho ya unum sobolo.
Pacho de bien dem you know be.
Unum sobolo. No obi busa say obi ukwe na kojo sapon obusa say na yare side effect no edro na vaccine side effect na bi ni die.
Oh, side effect na bi ni obetwe nya headache. Which means feeling sick. It means feeling feverish. And sometimes we feel tired. And I baby injection, baby, or sight, and baby, I want you when sunny to near your yapa.
Okay.
How you pain. And I itch and I say bruises. Oh, baby, I will be one. And I joint pain and I middle pain. Apart from that, unless you are if you were a side effect, if you were allergy to maybe BPI and but apart from the side effect, it's very mild.
Okay.
Very mild.
Mild. Okay.
Now,
ebi mo so ka nyin said yes oba onyem no e so oye careful man nko wo sa de no ana so oba
oba wonyem de wu de bi for now no de on bia be ka cho say wo e na oba opesa wonyem enti wonyem opesa wonyem nso a ebe was a woman who be 3 months and son wanyem also we grow ni after 3 months and son wanyem
na doctor obi so say me de na de ehia me pa me bebusa meja mu akọ ebi so ekum kote npa cho eno kre
enyampa
okay because no de ehia me pa because I know de ekum kote de aga me de kame wo na me nim no kre kame wo share tao I don't know ehia me pa na nka me fele sa me kabat man kana o kwa be ha me because
oh god no.
Okay, well, okay, doctor. Anyway, dear, Mabusa, what do you have with us? I'm sure why.
All right, take care.
Bye. Yeah, doctor say, well, we say, Mukoti is free, we are safe. Yeah, Mukoti is safe. Eti, na say, come on, any doctor to channel. Yeah, to come any doctor, na mo TB. But also with my friend, Ebia also walk a cry with me at the pace one as we share the Captain Smart kind only at the we also because I've not been fair to Captain Smart near the you can also call and then with me the audio to so on a channel. Yeah, it's number is 00447473818331 0044 7473818331 me na de hia me no na kan pese o because doctor nanimu nyam no physical nanimu nyam na ehia me but my busa so ebe ha me because eno no ehia me ni Kofi Richmond say the kote ho die udi no kote ho awura we ni benya problem ba anti enya me nkwa na me busa ma me ho I'm asking for the public na agrada besi o say public anti obetima frɛ na eja also waka one or two bi na eja ya de enadwumadi na ba ewie because ene amafo frɛ me kama ye hu se covid ni ba won kan ho asem no se na me nimade obi a me nimade de mo de covid ba I don't know what to do nti na esa me dwane na me ne doctor kokasa se doctor we the education time adu ye de any concept level but when it come to a proper education, you know, when it come to the education system, I mean, we need people like Doctor na wabe chechim. Yeah, no wabe chechim. This is the wabe chechim. It sounds so nice and so palatable and delicious. Men American come ben wine sa they meet my auntie Captain Wine Captain Wine, but we use it we educate him. Omo who say enkukotie ukoti ebe gina so am fine. Oba opeso unyin no you don't have to go for the vaccine. Oba onyim no young be say no important. All the major may say can come kwa na metina ha ka meche se oba onyim kro betima num awobi oba opeso onyim obetima na ka makunkum ma but me ma doctor by because I'm ignorant when it come to that field until you have to do what I mean I've got to do. You get me? Hey, I have to do what I've got to do. You can't say me go school no me go feel it more yanko near what chase farm you more chase. So what you say? Can you go school and can say me so meet match him ama bibia e kama manya first caller ha. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Evening.
Good evening. Pacho what to say?
We nation
Obiajo so.
And we say let me see you programming vaccine of vaccine. I'm saying a friend maka.
Okay. Wait, now we are doctor now we are nurse. We are nurse ana.
The patron doctor me nurse by so we no say you bet me a friend.
Nurse me to the opposite or channel what to say me boy.
Me patron.
Oh, le kasa. Efie ni pa o de kasa. Ah, what to say me ya dia ni gomo. Enko kasa.
Okay, me have a money shop Ghana me post no.
Wow.
And in fact I was so happy about it because any Ghana media ni see saying crowdfunding about vaccine. And is because I Germany.
Okay.
Now vaccine me in this say abroad for no more year vaccine no craft for Africa for. Man kasa and crowd for send you see ya
that's right.
Germany how start here almost said you go in health worker and I say yeah me say be do your so na che ye pe bi kra wo ye bi wo ti say nya me ya dom
na ya man
pa nya ba me kasafa what be kasi ti say ya o wo ga le bia ye man chance na
okay
Mate na o nya o kama ye no o ku hia ma ye o nya mi sha pa na adwuma pa o ye o no kretenti ma me pe wa asem
me dase ya mi sha amen we fie nipa me ba cho so betima frɛ na oso wa be kasa de dead see nation family for the kasa de nyame de ache yen me che say omo frɛ anaso omo follow nation family obi eni wa wo yejimi fo obi a onye doctor Uye nurse, uye lawyer, uye teacher, uye security, uye cleaner, uye carer. Oh, the one require a cleaner and a driver's room, taxi drivers, at a creator driver. Nina, you be on the you will nipa be a and you also wait my friend. Na also the word crabber. Because they say education and Kasankasa are free every into a year. Kakara mo so mo beso so na ama bibia awie peyo me mama nka se me nchemo mo na ma pon program awie no afi na mo beba be frefrem me mpesa nya me ni nukuri ni me ka se me ni juwa na me boa because sometimes ma pon no afi na me so me nya oba bi a chese me ni betwa nkomo ama me so me crab atom yim ewia se nipa bi ahia mo o so sometimes ma pon se no wo se ma twako na bia me no oba bi twa nkomo na say me so who say me I'm also a human being Enti that time was obi afre me. No, this step. Me fa. Me ba twa afi na pese oba program. Me ba twa me pese me ba o program no so. Na mo ya say ye. Ah? Obi timi frem ho machi 2 say oba program no so. Me count na ka me go akonya kase bisia power no so no. Ade no ba live e wo ha no. Obo say live e wo soro say red. Na esem wo ho no. But say oba na live ni ho a dead program don't call me mesra mo ma me na. Oh, anase mo wa me nin komopa. Na me so me nya hoden na obi nye gye me so na ade echi a ma ba beto me duma paso. Se me ka sa mo mfre. This e botu no mba be frɛ me. Eno e de no. Eno so echese. Me ba cho okay, number na down no. Me ma mo 5 minutes. Mo amfra me ko. Me ko wi a mo obi amfra mo ba before so be frɛ no. Mo ahwe ha. Se live ni ho a aso red wo so a mapon. You get me? Okay. Number is 004474738183331. Zel omonfru. Ole we me da ene so be frame anadwo amada me record ni pakodi aba e ba be to Facebook sama mo. Me record voice no me record na me dia beto. Mo akase munti. Madano, me ka sister mada ade. I no person ha me sa. Enti me so number na down no. 004474738183331. Yane doc atwetwe komo ama doctor wakasa wachechi mu acheche se ade no enye se ese vaccine nti ekunyare nda bi ebo ho ban etise unam na etuo obi di tuo ba na wahye bulletproof no sana vaccine eduro netie uwa na ese wahye bulletproof etutuo na emfam sana akwapoye nti se protector is good etise wo hye condom na only HIV patient and I say AIDS ni ada condom na protect you one share so a more risk sana adianity call biaba. Hello hi good evening
I try to say
na me go so we fine pa
me free US what some na work am me pese e paso
kakra
okay kakra me can be say vaccine ni there especially me chrome for Ghana for and I say Ghana ni bi o wa country bia me encourage say obia amomodin a say obewo
yeah
if you say vaccine ya dia abeboa ebia say papa me to we my tripa medos ne kun no sabre no yeah na me ma me e wo Cape Coast or the Cape Coast but na immunization na wo ho but na oni mu ho hwe enti otena ho e ma medos no ye ma tripa no ma eku ma tripa enti me nyakopon ya adom na ma ko school do actually dia but me organ na me committee business na ye na ye wo sa mpane ye no mankwara
okay
na enti no ma na many pray abribia say me shema before nkurai setep ya no omodi wo ma ebeba we na ya wo mo sa mpane ye no
wow
na wo shema aboa be pray aboa nipa be aboa menu abema aboa yenkasa ebi wo ho no obi wo ho no ma owo pane na message say akra bi wo ha wo de wona message ne basi aye no but aye na enya ne te say obi a owo pane
that's right
so what you enti no media me straga na for say mo mo tie di obi a beka me say me ka say Ghana for a omo etie me o ma me no omo ye adwuma wo Kaneki polyclinic da so my polyclinic omo ni me omo nim sabe bo me dia omo be me ne my year adwuma no 20 years and sana me dey ba ha no intimidations ne tie me se be pray se obia momodi asese ni busuan ni bi wo Ghana o tunufo said yeah doctor ne kan ye no ya ri edrobia wo ne side effect ni abema hwese chloroquine ye wo Ghana no sa wo no obi no chloroquine
na no ho ke kan
ne ho be ke kan wa wo bi so no ma enya ne hwe sa what ya say it edrobia wo ne side effect ebi wo ho no ma said the doctor ne say ye no obi wo ha wo hwe but o mi say ma wo me de me no ka say ma wo e say tuma me ye wo US ha ni ma wo me de be ye na what you mean the last one no my one bear na what you mean
wow
na when son be ya we said the doctor na kai over food say I said you want to
feverish kakra
ade ya na me ya okay it's mesre
so
some misinformation now what dey na say be sabi e be ku be ma sabi e be obi kra na me ti e kra ya sika na bo say ye gay we wo kwa wa no ye gay sa de no ma omu ntie na omu nyina wo pane no if you say bedroom baby no wa hwe sa de wo de me ni aba ma sa de ye ba ha no ho a one show yellow fever card wo airport ebi o ha ye ma wo for blame sa na e ba be ye e wo bia
yeah
e bedroom baby no ko baby na so kita card so wa wo pane na e be ye din ama wo say your friend is saying
obeti wanya kwa tukwan okay
ana say wo de ye fa to wo say ye ba e bia ye tukwan aba ha wo ko give me say bia omo ba ka tira wo say kwada kwa wo hepatitis B kwada kwa wo sa afane we
ansa no yeah
Bambra de so bia ye gitu mu si e be wo
exactly
so no we ya be ye betna ho Ghana for ade bia e ye free no ye mpo ye betna ho sa every say e bia opeso otukwan ye so onko wo no na fe wonam no wonya okwa ye si tue sika sei no obotue sika bu when so abana da wo ma wo dia paso obia ambo omu nyira ye aseti example awo panie no dia me dia mesre me nua no Ghana for say wo omu tie di obia aka efi say vaccine no immunizations no aboye ho ba free tete se be kuye ya enka kuye market wa yi nyina ya fa say empanifo a etwa mu ne dia ebinum anwo sa panie di but ya ma ya wo me se me ya ma 20 years it me ya be ma say every 20 years sa kwala na ye wo mo sampane ni nyina no se ko mawu aso sisi anyame ado mo nyina e wo ho no enti no mase ma meka
Namisha. Every say quality or make a program very, very attractive and very educative. And this is what we want. Onze obi Ghana se see a washe. Ebianka also won, but yeah, the doctor abaso. I'm a doctor abechichi wa pensin sim ama obi ehu se chale ade no kra sa enye hu na samri ya president otimi a kire se oye leader because leadership by example se beku obi a sebe ye ma president en di kan ko ye bechichi omo ye sebe powerful ne omo de da kwan ho ne ade no na nka ye de omo ahyase but se omo apanyina tutu ne nan akọ ama ye de pani ni bia wo no na ye former president so atutu ne nan ama ya akọ wo no ye ohene kese otumfo se tutu oti akonya paso ote sika dwakofi so akọ ama ya wo no a na national chief imam of Ghana Sheikh Nuksha Rubutu ankrimufo somboma kribufo ne kristofo ne Ghana fo nyina ono so tutu na ama ya wo ne dia ye man panyi dada kufo John Adekum kufo so tutu ne na ama ya wo no one ne busua Mame, o twendie. O pese yare ne chew. Na unya protection bia udi bewu. Na wawu nkwase ewu. Na yakosi o. Yare no kra chew ade yare se wu a. Ye drapo a obusu afo kra mo nkosi o. Ye tamo na e do akọ tu atwene ba bi na eno ano. Enti mum kowo pane no se de be ya be protect o. Se yare ne bi chew kra na entimi nwura wo mu emo ntontwene ema ne nku. Na ebe ye defre sa akopem se ebe clear free ho sa na ye hwehwe ntiga na fo amotie me mesram ye na ye wa abruchi ndie ye hu se de nsema na mo start se mo ka no ni na anya no kre se yare no e give fo panie ena yare no wo wa okoti bewu ena yare no wo wa untimi emu atopa yare no untimi emu atopa yare no wa untimi emu atopa so ati ase sa wo si yare no wa untimi emu atopa bu sarabi Muhammad wa wone de ni kunu so abo busare se atopa omumu obubu anopa ewie numre ana busa elen yawira obu atopa na busa lisa boachi wawo so obu atopa ma me mechia o yes ma me mpacho kasa una obe me last caller na me de adwumadi na ba ewie yanko
me mpacho kaka me pese me kan se Ghana for omunyanki kakeka no baba fe no enkuniba Abrafo be kuye ya anka ye da mo di plane mu wema 3 minutes ko be kuye nyina ye to me no then kaya wa very lucky aye ye de go my ma 6 months me ma start TV abo fu na ye o be kuya de was any manema and never be bring one ma bro fu aye bro Africa ye nyedi then me kata be say if you talk be o tie me dia o fani me anu mo fie on kata se boss no ri nim so de be ya be boy ye hu bayan wo bi am fa ye preocupa de ni na so ito wo ya ni ede me pamocho so ka ka be kan no
nyami shawa me
wo bi ni nya ya moto
nyami shawa me da wase yo ebusia no so aka so ati ase ensi watopa ho kwan busa Dana Rivers obeka cho se wa won de o tena so a wotun so hu cry light mo wa mo hu light bit ma wan ya bibia fine nti ensi atopa ho kwan kuma se bandam wo yi ntimi mu atopa obu atopa nti ense atopa so what I say mo obu atopa din wate nti mo nsulu abrochefo de ye hu mo start ye mu twitwa nto Ghana bibia ba mo na mo be didi hu mo ye didi ama Captain Smart so adwon ne mo na mo ye didi ade amu nim so na mo ka ye na eti foreign country yeah foreigners you know I mean we are foreigners we are in a foreign land yani abrofo ne ku school yani abrofo ne fro bus yani abrofo ne fro trotro so what you say enti yani mabrofo so what you say wo tu ekura wo ti Ghana hu abrofo 3000 se o mo abomu bada hu bi da ye hu omo ye no omo ara omo abom ne ye na ehim ye ba ebi kura wa nko na wo tuntu na mo ba fine enti ye nim de eka so mbe ku ya ye hwe omo ne ye be wo se we opemekume but enti sa pane na aba no vaccine no omo di kan wo kura ya abrofo no enti wo pese wo che so wo pese wo kunkum omo ho so ka ho ana so omo kumu ayo kwan bebre omo be fa so omo kumu so what you say omo betimi the flight sisi the sister na kai na omo di mframa boni ya be gukuru no ade be chi ohumi a we se wa epem ohumi a no epem omo betimi okuye nyina nyankopon ne hweye so enti mun susunsu na mo mayemfa bibia hye otwedi amponsem onna baby bia ma e fine enti mesra mo obi an feel free na obi an feel healthy what you say yempese obi wunti na yetewo a ye ka vaccine ho asem no what you say enti wo a wo hweme a wo tie mi a wo Ghana no ensuro ema wo yim hyehyew ye Ghana ye penko mu ombe wu anka nye Nana Akufo-Addo ene John Dramani Mahama ene Otikokoso ene omo keka ho no omo na ekura Ghana mu enti so omo odi kan ko wodi a na wo hu se ade no ejina naso mo na protect mu na prevent ye na yade ya abehye wiase a ene wo na mo kura na wo yim hyehyew yade no medie minim sa achemeda ko rebi na mo kura hia mente my testy bibia me testy ba me ye career nyame abom se me ye career ti me wo pan you no wanwu me okay because me ye career ye no ye chiche yare no so what you say enti say ye chiche na mo so mo wo pan ye protect mo it's good and now to obeti so o hwibro bi ewu and now to obeti to hwibno bi ewu what is the benefit of you hwim dying sir ye penesa ye be say unite na say na ye enjoy 2021 together ni enjoy 2022 together ni enjoy 2023 together ni enjoy 2024 together ni enjoy sa to say ye benyini na yayam kokrafo ni mirwafo hello
come on.
yes darling me pacho me ho ye pa hello yes
ya come pacho me timi abala na so
kudina so kasa
good evening
we dey me pacho me ba na wo ye wie cramponti man te na papa ba sister no kasa se amen e ma me tie mo kaka
okay
ane na nyum
wa wo bia
e ma hospital ma wo me de me wo ya de tin akra me kwa adwuma
oh okay
ade tin akra me kwa adwuma be pie ni we ye me me wo na no pa be 10 o'clock me de adwuma ma ne bo 8 na me pon be fie
wow
me be fie ade tin ye na ma beti no ena na ye me yakakra me dware ya me no mpala no anam sa akwa edwuma
oh okay
me hu bibia me next one March 5th March na ma wo tu na wi
okay
etima o mu nsuro no mo nkeka ena ye o mo de
na
o mo to one ma de o be ka mo be nya viewers nkwa no ka mo nka no kore ni nche ni pa
yeah me ba to wo ye feelings until feelings.
Me feelings be every kind of feelings I had. After crying, I had.
Baba, so what?
And be any master crana. I'm now with Nipadiano, Kawaya Fit, we are Bibia, we are because I be a woman, almost the Wakaka cancer, won't call full Musano.
Matthias, you, Mammy,
I'm not from the crown of the car or warrior. Now I had to two for 1 year per year.
Matthias, your mammy, media Okanina,
be anywhere, they say. The feelings in the press, I am not we did the dinner when you're free. And yeah, she feelings be anywhere, they say.
Now, who what did be an hour need be an hour who said you wouldn't need to Okasan.
Me, I did it by little.
Emma, for myself, moving to Yami. For myself, me was a told maybe I wait before. Emma, dear, we know. Emma, we have bodies. Me, Thomas and Papa, my best friends, Emma. I don't want to answer so catch you so more about. Can't want a minute now, Kavias in your day. Kavias Bear, a reward horse are in a Neko. Hello.
Hello, come on.
Ma'am, but what to say?
Yamia Karaman also.
Yamia Rumboko, Bajo Casa with you.
Yeah, number 7 chase I make all media Monday.
Okay.
Right now, they find in your effect. Like feverish and emphasis, those kind of things. They die themselves for 2 days, just taking paracetamol. But everyone is different at the end of the day. But Obia for because Obia will have side effects. But some of us do get a side effect, and it doesn't really matter. You have to go and have your vaccine. No happen and best make up.
Okay, do you have side effects? No, say what to an ancestor.
Oh, me what? It was only Monday and then Wednesday.
Oh, okay. Yeah, me ba makra wo ye. Onu sunya a side effect kakra. But and them who so sorry I was share a on the nfio nti I think say she's
yeah, the story no am mediga ni my yeah like life must move on, life must go on, let me put it that way.
Okay.
But obi an for moment na won kika say obi wo ha ye the cheap besha won sa ye the cheap besha wo be ye the way beba but ye pay ye kwanje dia.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, to corner for yes, I met wrong.
Mati, that's it. Okay, but who said Hema friend, my main friend Himana. Yeah. Hello,
come on.
Yes. What would Diana?
My media.
Okay.
Ni American scare. We are seeing on no beer or how ne body no react to
certain things. Yeah.
And now, yen ahoɔden a yɛde gyina pain no. So no beer ne deɛ. Obi wɔ hɔ no mo a, wobɛhu sɛ we pride sɛ kanye dwa no paa enso so no, ya wɔ na ɔte no. She say, "Who did I know? Prepare or one say, eh, I said, this kind, a trying a minute. Into the sign of vaccine next year. Oh, wow, maybe say me warrior no, me want me first one. That me quite juma, and since then me quite juma. But me wa down for be a warrior no, sin inside me ya 2 days no fee. As no be anything any paint, and say, I say, ye discard your money cheer. A bema and you may be market, China come on, make a story vitro. Let me pesa me walk. Initially, no, me pesa, even though me a healthcare worker, and me pesa me walk. It may ya miss you, who call me out to you now, tells ya. Now, my ye. Now, close pressing be or obey me in ye be na come out. Send any panic prayer, no. And I see ye,
na mini mrika na me nko wo me de
wow
na me de kwaje me de ono so ne ho to na pe wa kwaje ne de
wow
because no ono de o ka se on wo kra Ukraine nyame ni mo Jehovah Witness ni no so on wo na so no afi wa kwakowo
ne obeja Jehovah no na wa won vaccine
when o cancel ni demon because wa
na but wo ye no feeling to say o feeling like what
oh me wo ye no o ka try ni say o ma what na 15 minutes na o ka say me do fear me pain medicine be enom na me fa ice entutu so nti sa na me ye no eti addiction ye no na eya me ya kakra but enya
sa feeling na me pese me ka say ho de te say ho de say bia wo ne be ma hia ne ade ho de no da na say ateso
ekoye brutal I mean bia society
okay
ekoye why ya bibia ekoye
so tina say the same feeling no like you feel good orgasm bibia e fine
feeling bibia that
oh nice and na ya say feeling be sesa ne ade yeah that's a pass so
feeling bia sesa
okay say na say wo wie no onya bi edi nti bibia e fine
of course
oh nice
24/7
oh nice thank God but that's why Aisha oh nice be fine be fine you be wo say you hu say en say asede you be wo ke be say asede an ke ne ke be twa makuru na kunyin but ye hu say who was still unya the same orgasm who be ba fine who be full I find yeah and then no problem. Nation writer na last caller. Nation writer, good evening.
Good evening, Nation CEO.
Corona na just COVID vaccination na yani mana kasa doctor so babe educate fine. Doctor acheche mo bia kasa.
Captain Smart and Mami Baye. Also, Captain Smart and sometimes Mimi Penasem or Jimmy sometimes. To be frank, we need it, but sometimes on Jimmy Pan. Let me tell him the reason why on Jimmy. But Jimmy, when you are a journalist, you either inform, entertain, and your information should deeply be on research.
Wow.
How do you say it? Poverty. The lack of facility. Emma, you recommend some of them as journalists. Like Ghana, that can be pretty or because if you are talking as a journalist, a respectable one to be, if you go into detail of this research, nation ulti UK mebao obroni ben na obenye vaccination no opese onku Africa for na ono so wa catch the microphone so omunkoye sa vaccination what be that
David
why vaccination no na we catch na obi aka be catch say me vaccination person me call ku nation any family but me so ma catch me family say we start here for service, for vaccination is very important. Why yes or no? And the way they institute their system, if any way backlash, they know the system will take them on. The best see and yet they say more African. And our nation, ya Fabio, on Friday na ABI, what I say, there is injection, corona and corona. Everybody has their type of skin texture and their kind of way health. Para and koroki. Minia the old michi. Of a koroki is here to say you know you call emergency, but me for koroki and
yeah.
Tablet was a little bit side effects. A new vaccine like this,
no paracetamol, mami honey.
Aha. Oh. Anyway, Captain Smart, he should stop throwing his image or his integrity to the dogs, no. Uncle into detail, now also idea under Kasahuno, he talks too much. He should go into research. That's the most important thing. Because what he's saying, you know, just say a system no I lose. Otherwise, you better not sue, he can be sued. They can sue him. They better not jail, but because what he's telling Ghanaians is a wrong information. Very wrong. That's all I have to say.
Thank you, Nation Writer. Yeah. Me say me no paracetamol ma me honey. We say me na mana me boom mu say para. Me no para ma me honey. I'll become so na me ho sorry me sa no bia anti me say para. Me no ma de say me no half. Me no full para se sia we say me na mana me bu atopa. Na me bu atopa. And I don't like that. Anti sana tinti. E duro bia on side effect. Me side effect no me no para. Doctors fu ina enim ti me no fara na me bu mu a metima aha adwene pa anti ebusu ya me hia mu nyina me da mu nyina mo say I thank each and everyone we share this lovely and nice and educative program na hwe nipa emugu so on se Ghana fo nti na yenko enim ababo bia mu yenko enim de bia na ye wo fom ade ye nyansa sua no Ghana ni wompe o this is Jimmy Sebita Frache omo penyansa wo de hwe nipa omo hwe 221 but see ya opa ma men komra na men kosa samatade na men tro caption I'm going to fire agrada obo nipa mba begua na che se ye no da ben ye be nyini da ben ye be kuinim da ben ye be sue nyansa intina Ghana yentimi ntumpon de bia ya basa Africa broni na abetena se no ka covid o ka ya riesi de esia ka obo nipa omuguna obo se be 15 million no omuguso because they want to learn intina o hwa ye wu ntentem abrofu obi ni abero ni kuntimi ni 100 and something years no omoti because omo pe educative things ade nyansa ne nyansa sua bebere o mabrabo but meni umienu this is Jimmy opa obi nkra kase ntoko bi esi ha 200 ye beka 8 ha opa obi nso camera sisi ana ntoko bi nsi mo bedwane ama doctor kura bedwane edi mo tia mmako me na me ka kire I know my people but this is so wrong ka mo bedwane doctor kura bedi mo chi e beka 6 ewa ha na me ni 6 no na ya hwehwe nkomo why mona mama no ma hunu edoso system mona mama amanfo obi a pese the wrong thing obi a pese okun obi a pese oye no ma bia ebe ma nipa abehwe no but at the end of the day nipa amugu say kasi ye ko hwe shares okura mo share how many shares na share but say ban tokwa unka se share okura because ntokwa wo ba wo di bufu na aba wo be hu number of shares I be kwa abontin Ghanaians we need to grow and time na so see e bi ya adwen na yesua no ma edi mpuntu ebeba ya brabum say doctor ewo hi ka no ma bebere ho ya ne doctor betima hwetwe nkomo na yesua no ma na yesua de obi ho kora ne kote mu nya den doctor betima ka che so wonu glucose anasa wonu we bo fra anasa we kodu a ebema kote mu aye den ebema won paso adwuma ye fine ebema etintintin umpum ema wo veins eye adwuma obabi osusu ne orgasm ma doctor betima cho so orgasm ba ebi obetima pe bo free shoe ene didi kakra no ono doctor betima my informations but mo pe no de bia mo pe de edi nsem hunu de said ye din nsem eno na mo pe na mo comment ba ana na mo yesa what sort of nkrofo ne yen adan yese nipa firi muom na ya be yesa ya bada nipa ya pese tem bia ye ka sebe emoate bia mu a emwa yen yeso yesi enyin ne eguro ko yenim nti mo amugina ha mo hwe sa number of people na amugina ha mo hwe no ya me nhira mo na mo ye nyansafo out of some musa life nipa 3000 hwe na ye ntokwa mo ko hwe bi kura na mo ye nyansafo because educative program mo ba be hwe at least wo de betu ma bibifu at least wo de betu wo for bibifu at least wo de betu obusuafo fu no ma ya kikai bebre ho ayenim ene masua no ma bia ka ho mo na mo ye nyansafo mo na mo ni nyansa mo na ye de mo bobra yeyi mo na ye de mo ko mo ni mo anyeyi nti obi a opɛ yere obi a opɛ kunu unya oyere wa ha anaso unya kunu wa ha we na ye yere pa we na ye kunu pa because ekunu a opɛ information ekunu o dwi deep muna mu ye kunu muna mu ye yele nti obi a oba bi a oni kunu abia obetima mahu at the end of the program no be ma bi so a oni yere obetima mahu na ye nka mu na mu nka mu mo ne pese mo ne mo wo a so ko fo ba na oni no wo a mo ware na oni no wo a obo se mo ma no na mo anya nyansafo ba so ko bibia ye ku na okotu so oba wo ha wo a o ma mba wo mo mba ntokwapefo on be sa agrada on be se ma mingege on be sa man krado na tembia mo dina Facebook so yoka emfa so mre mba wow nkora mbe sika gare ebi kora mo de nde be wache gare wache ni nsu enti munsua well done I mean shira mo ha nyina God bless you na tembia no mo encourage programs like this mo ha nyina no so mo say educative program mo mefre me ni nyina enkotie bi ni encourage ni yesu am build your community ni your society and be ma yesu yetumpon nti sensible people are the ones here omo ye jones and ignorant and bro for asa omo na tembi omo ntitini nonsense and ntokwa na me shiramu bedamu nyina mo God bless you obi ho oba ha ni be ha sisi a obedampo because enye no ope me tro nyansa me uni me udu sache na me pa na udu saka no me wasia chewa ne ma wa camera so chewa ne ma obi ti America obi ti Canada e be ne wasia chewa ne ma enti na Facebook ntoko me ka chem se ese mahu se nipa me bodam na nka ma nya Facebook ntoko ya ka me bodam ndoko high pa because obi ti baby usu ti baby na mutina ona wo kika nsem hwe me uni mi o udie me se metimo bobro fa die mu me tese me boa ya die penny ya sorry ya sik funny face nko na yale ye nyina yale me masami ho yale se I'm well masami ho yale nti me di normal pa na bebrem me di normal ishinkra me di who say me ye me lie a good lie obi a woni hu no da onnim no so obi hu no so ye samayo so ye nipo kesi amanka wo ede na chese wo nipa onnim ede na chese mtiwe me nipa onnim ede na chese Rabi Muhammad wo nipa onnim ede na chese Kumasi Vanda wo nipa onnim Kwame Boni onnim so ye sama you don't know ye nyina ye nimo ene tia ngege ebi o ye sama you don't know eti one ye kasa hwe me chobe me chiro nyansa me chiro se ya di agro be 8 years ni unhie obi krada this a wo am pe na mo arrange mo hie but wo nam kra nko hie obi ada obusia na me hia mo ate mo me nyesi ya ye educative ani aba educate ye ni esua nyansa kakra se business bi kra na bi nya ni e di aba ni abesua business we ye sei na e di nkomo na e bie ya adwenim ene de mfaso bebre from now to about 20 and 15 years sa energy am de to me nya bio meba no bo se ma emre me sha mentima aba mpu no meba me chiamo me pa cho sa mu ina mo ho ye Rabi Muhammad na mba cho ho ye na me ne start epopo that time no nyansa no ma na yesua no ha no ene be gina so na jimi ne de energy no eni ho kra na wo de energy na ba be didi me di giwa asasi bai nation estate mumu se na matobi America kuro ni de me de kuro ni nyamisha God bless America ufri America na waba Britain America fo na to asase a che so mache so mu official na mission obi se mato me pese me di si apartment na me de ma rent na me se ma me nyam be hirawo ma si me fie da ba me pese we me di apartment na me de rent and I say hey na sa America fo ni nyanza za America fo sa mo ni nyanza za Britain for afi no musu ye biabe o matoto bi na Italy ni frɛ wa ndro me frɛ me pese bosome ne so tomatoes na yetete no na say tomatoes ne pro yam ye what has tomatoes are pro got to do with Nation Family Estate Germany for so omato omo ya de kakra omo de Germany em say ntise first no Germany ku say omo so chire omo pa na Italy entro Italy for Italy ofewa obeche tomatoes apro nkuruma omat na sese nkuruma farm bia me what has nkuruma farm got to do with nation estate? Why Italy? God bless America. God bless America. Finland krade omu ni map no. Finland enya okra na oto hima de paka Finland kra mini. Oh. Enti mo open nation estate akosi mu da no. Number ni minim say America for na mebobo am. Na na ha me no. Me pese ka UK for doors wo te say me ekui. America bof no kra mente. Na say American for na occupy o. Na say me no mo na ekotena na asese. Yo. America bof mente. Omo kasa yo mente ka UK for nanka ye share ho. Okay, mo da money me say UK I don't know. UK what me say here obi afre UK na okay UK ni bia o afre kuku so on no pen credit obi tua na cash am say kuku una we face UK ni a wo kasa say but ye be hedi nyambe number is 00233 242 181973 00233 242 181973 00233 242 181973 mon frère na monyi mo asase nation estate na mo so mon start NC modan ho nyame nhira mo ida mo gina mo ase. God bless you. God bless you. I love you so much. I love you so much. Me dom pa me nim say mo so domination family for mo akoma pan de mo bedom ba mo akoma bone de mo hu na madome na mo so Nyankopon sa kira mo na mo nsu enyansa na mo mie mo akoma na mo mie mo adwene Nyankopon e mo hu se me nyame akoa me nyame akoa. Thank you. Bye bye.